let's look at some concrete examples of cognitive skills. All right? So let's say we take a first and second grade science class and we look at the atmosphere. First, we'll start with knowledge. This would be asking questions to match your vocabulary words to the correct definition. Fill in the blank with the correct word that matches the sentences about the atmosphere. Well, if we're going to move up the ladder and we're looking at comprehension, same subject, same grade level. A comprehension evaluation would be, can you draw our world and the atmosphere? Can you tell Daddy in your own words what is the atmosphere? Now, if we're going to take that same subject level and look at the application rung, this is where we write a sentence telling about our world's atmosphere and why we have it. Moving up the rung, the same subject level and grade level, would be analysis. Now we're getting somewhere. Now it's getting interesting with our teaching. Why can't we live anywhere else in our solar system? What is different about Mars' atmosphere and ours? I don't know about you, but this is getting more fun for me. Okay, so moving up the rung, now we're at almost the final part here. We're on the fifth rung. Synthesis. This would be creating an experiment using oil and colored water to demonstrate the effect of an atmosphere has on light. Or let's create a new atmosphere for a plant. How do we know if our atmosphere is even there? What would happen if we took out these trees and the atmosphere that we built? If we were at the final rung, looking at the same subject and the same grade level at evaluation, this is what it would look like. We're going to drive into the city today to a park in a national forest, and we're going to notice the kind of air quality that's there. Why is there a difference between the two? How do you determine air quality difference? And what should be done differently to achieve a different or better air quality? It isn't that you have to move through these rungs in order for every single lesson. We're just trying to show you that the majority of your content only reaches the first 4 rungs of the ladder. You're missing out on the top 2 rungs, which is the most fun stuff. Were you surprised to find the fun things in learning are considered the highest level of cognitive skills? If you've ever felt bored or mundane and having to get through the drudgery, hopefully now you're going to be inspired and just let go of that. We have to get this done because the big guys on the hill say that this is what's showing that you've learned and that I've taught you. The cognitive skills ladder, feel free to move about it. Think of the first rungs as just a warm-up, but the top is your goal. Move up there as quickly as you can. This does not mean hurrying through 20 questions and worksheets to get out to the fun stuff. What I mean is kind of review or open up with 2 to 4 questions on the bottom rungs and then spend the rest of the day at the top. Go ahead. It's okay. What we covered. The elements of thought-provoking questions can have. How we model the benefits of wait time. Common question areas and how to avoid them. And how to apply and identify cognitive skill levels. And we showed you some concrete examples of questioning. I had a great time. I hope you guys did too. The next thing we're going to go through are evaluating through portfolios.